Hi, I am Arpitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my minimal travel backpacking for a week. All the links for the products shown in today's video will be in the description box. Let's talk about the bag first. This is a new bag which came as a gift and a new addition to our travel bags and suitcases. I actually like this bag. It's a canvas bag. I like the pockets, I like the handles, zippers and the space. I like the color. So I am excited to carry this bag for 1 week's travel. I generally use backpacks for my traveling, but as this is a new bag, I am excited to use this bag for my next travel. I prefer using backpacks when I am traveling alone or when I am packing separately for myself. Let's see how comfortable this bag will be this time. This is from a brand called Nykaa. So I'll find a similar kind of a product link, or if I find the same product link, I will share it in the description box. So let me show you how I will pack my stuff inside this bag. I created a travel packing list to start with. I actually have one list which I use for all my travels. The items generally remain the same for almost all my travels. I pull out things according to the list. Let's start with clothes. When it comes to clothes, I fold them in a way that they take less space. I generally don't iron my clothes unless they are very wrinkled. So I just roll them or fold them in small folds and then keep them. I carry 4 days worth clothes and I can repeat one of these, and I carry one lightweight sweater just to be on safer side in the weather conditions. And then I have my night t-shirts, one denim short and my workout pants, and these work as night sleeping pants as well. So all these go on one side of the bag. I keep a napkin which is very soft and absorbs very quickly, and a cotton towel apart from my clothes. I wear one pair of shoes, whichever are comfortable for me, and then I prefer carrying one slippers. So I found this shoe bag which is like very convenient. It's waterproof and it keeps the dirt of the slippers or the shoes away from the clothes in the bag. So I keep my slippers, Crocs, inside this. This bag is spacious enough to carry a pair of sneakers or a formal shoe or something. So I just keep one of this bag. And when it comes to toiletries, I have this capsule box. I have 2 of these. I've shown it in my previous what's in my bag video. So inside this right now I kept my sunscreen, my pimple cream, my lip color, a kajal and a razor. I generally try to use all these stick kind of like vertical kind of makeup so that these go into one box, and if you notice there is more space if I need some more things to add, and it takes up very less space. So this one goes into my bag. I have this bag for my travel shampoos and soaps and all those things. I have my moisturizer. This is my dermatologist prescribed one. I still need to find a small jar. I'm looking for one eco-friendly glass jar maybe. I'm finding one, so once that is there I can just transfer a little into that, but now I have space in this bag, so I am carrying this as it is. And I have this parachute coconut oil small box. I always carry this because coconut oil is like for everything. If I have a rash, if I have a mosquito bite, or if there is one wound or some hurt, and it works as a moisturizer for the whole body. So I always carry one small coconut oil box with me. And let me show you the best thing which I found recently. That's a shaver, travel size shaver. I shave my arms and legs and whenever I require. So this one comes with a box, and it has one small, see, it has a grip and it has this, and you can find these blades separately, and it goes sit inside and locks, it doesn't fall. And this one also locks, and then it has pores over here so the moisture can be dried. So I love this one. Then I have these travel size biotic body lotion, conditioner. Body lotion is just an optional, but I keep it for emergency. And shampoo. Is this a shampoo? No, this is a shower gel. Elasticated slots inside here, inside this bag. So I just push these things inside those elastic sections. See, nothing moves and it sits properly. When I am going for a week's travel, then I carry my shaver, otherwise I don't. So that's how compact and neat my travel toiletry bag will get. I prefer keeping my toothpaste separately into this kind of box, because I can just take this and put it in my smaller bag. If I am going for a night out or something, I can just carry this brush in my smaller bag. So I prefer keeping it separately. I prefer carrying my drawing book nowadays and a notebook to note down and schedule my day and write things down. I prefer writing things down in this small bag. And I have my pens and pencil eraser, everything inside a zipper pouch inside the bag. So this is compact, and this will double up as a night stay out. I can just put one top and one pair of undergarments and my face napkin, face wash, and these two. For my camera equipment, I carry my Fanny Pack, which sits nicely on my waist, or I carry it as cross-body bag. So inside this, I kept one knitted bag which was made by my mom, just to keep the camera inside so that it doesn't get scratches. So that bag separates my phone, or if I keep something else inside this, from the camera. All my camera equipment, whatever extra things I need, I keep them all inside this Fanny Pack. And I keep a wallet. I love this wallet. This is like so easy. I don't like those chunky girly wallets. I recently found this on Amazon. I really love it. There are card slots, and I have my ID cards here. In this section I have some cash, and this is like key holder, but I don't use it for key holder. But yeah, this goes into my jeans back pocket if I need, or I'll just keep it in my Fanny Pack, one of the pouch. Then I have my earpods. These are like very easy to carry and use as well. So when I want a quiet time for myself, I just put this on and watch something on my mobile. So these are going in. And then I don't miss my chopstick. I generally carry a Vicks Vapor Rub because I suffer with sinusitis. I have blocked nose most of the times. So when there is weather change, I need this. I just keep it with me. I carry some of these as well. So as my nose gets blocked, my throat also gets blocked, and it has itch and all those kind of cold symptoms. So I generally keep those handy in my Fanny Pack so that I can just take them whenever I feel like. So those are the things which go into my Fanny Pack. The camera is the one which I am recording with, so that also goes inside this. and my mobile also goes inside that. And then I have this kind of canvas bag where I keep my wires, basically my phone charger cord and my watch charger box. So these go inside. If there are any more wires or something, all those go inside this. I keep them separately so that they don't get tangled, or it's easy to find. I carry this undergarments box. I have 2 of these. These are very handy for the traveling. I carry my gorilla tripod, which will be used for camera or the mobile. So sometimes I carry when I feel the requirement of it, otherwise I don't. When I am traveling, I carry one bottle. This is my personal bottle which I use at home. So it's very convenient for me to carry this one. But I am trying to look for one steel bottle maybe, so that there is no chance of breaking. I carry my sunglasses if I am traveling outside, because we will be going around and who knows how the weather will be. So these sunglasses go into my bag as well. Those are the essentials which I carry in my travel bag for a week. If I am staying for longer days, 1 or 2 clothes may add up. Other than that, all other things will remain same. If there is any sudden emergency and if I need to stay for more days, 1 week extra or something, I'll just wash those clothes and use them again. So that's how I pack my travel bag. I hope you got some ideas from how I pack my bag for 1 week's travel. What part of my packing did you like? Comment below and let me know. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more minimal wardrobe, intentional living and styling videos every week. Click the bell icon next to it so that you won't miss any videos from my channel. Follow me on Instagram for regular updates and some styling inspiration. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.